Your presence here means the world to me, and I am deeply touched by your support. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for the opportunity to serve as the State Director of this prestigious pageant. It's truly an honor, and I am incredibly grateful for the trust and confidence placed in me. I'm also grateful for the support and guidance of three special individuals, Mr. S. Marwin, Mr. Rishan Paryan, and my dear husband Liam. Your encouragement and belief in me have been invaluable, and I am truly thankful for your presence in my life. You will make this journey worthwhile and ensure that your faith in me as the State Director is justified. Let's create a pageant that embodies the spirit of Meghalaya and empower our young women to shine bright. I'm also immensely thankful to Mr. Amjad, Ms. Sophiya Singh and Arshina Sumbul for gracing us with their presence at this conference. Your participation adds immense value to our event, and I'm grateful for your support. Thank you all once again for being here and for your unwavering support. Let's embark on this journey together and make it a memorable and impactful one. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Will be organizing pageant somewhere in the month of September, I believe. Yes. So we'll be selecting one candidate from here, and who will be getting a direct entry to our national competition, which will take place next year. This year we already have two contestants from Meghalaya participating in Miss Grand India, which will take place somewhere in August. So next year we will have a contestant from Miss Grand Meghalaya, the first ever Miss Grand India pageant, which will be taking place. I represent a firm called Ramadan, which has been in operation since 2015. So initial few years we had a license for Earth and International, and slowly and gradually we focused on more international competition, and our aim was to get the Miss Universe and Miss Grand International licenses, which this year we got for Universe, and last 2020 we got the license for Miss Grand International. We have sent two representatives. One of them was Arshina, who had done fairly well, and she was one of the top 20 contestants in representing India. Any questions anyone has about Grand International?
At this beautiful city, Shillong, and the people, the weather, and everything over here. This is going to be my favorite city from the Northeast. I'm just going to tell you this. Also, Miss Grand, the title which we are representing over here from the Ramadan Group. Miss Grand was the first pageant which I have been associated with, and I was crowned as Miss Tourism. Also, the whole team has another really nice to me. They have recruited my title as Miss Asia Pacific. As you can say that Ramadan Group is one of the best companies which you can associate yourself for the pageantries. We have lots of international and national pageants over here. Miss Grand, Miss Universe, and international pageants such as Asia Pacific, of course, Miss Grand, Miss Universe, Miss Charm, and so on. So I would like to say that may the best girl from over here should win, and I am extremely looking forward for it. Thank you so much.
My name is Arshina Sumbul, and I am the current Miss Grand India 2023. So being associated with Miss Grand Meghalaya now is an honor for all of us. This is my first time in Shillong, and as Sophiya said, that we are loving the city. And you know, when we talk about loving something, it's not just about the beauty of it or just the weather, but the people here are so nice, they are so hospitable. Vanda, you are so nice to us, and we are so glad to be a part of today's event, Miss Grand India 2024. So coming to the pageant, which is the Miss Grand International pageant, I can assure you it is one of the most amazing pageants in the world. The production, everything about it it's just so fun. You can be yourself. It's not just about being a pageant girl, it's more about being yourself, being comfortable in your own skin. And I can assure that whoever comes to audition for Miss Grand Meghalaya or Miss Grand India is going to have a great time. So I just wish you guys all the best for your pageant, and I wish the girls who are getting selected from this region, I'm super excited to meet you guys. As we already have 2 contestants ready for this year's competition, I'm looking forward to meet them, to have a one-on-one chat with them. I've seen their videos and they are doing amazing so far. So all the best to all the girls who are going to participate this year. Thanks so much for having us again. Thank you guys.
India holds a very significant importance for Meghalaya because of its rich cultural heritage. With this pageant coming up now here in Meghalaya, we will be able to utilize tourism, cultural, ethics, everything. We can show it to the outside stage, the outside world. So I think that's a very great significance for Meghalaya.
Pageants are more than just a competition. It teaches you a lot of things. It teaches you ethics, it teaches you discipline, it teaches you a way of life, and for most of the young girls who are 16 to 17, that's the first introduction for them towards a personal interview round. As we know, when we apply for any job, we have this personal interview. And when we are in a pageant, then you go through a personal interview round. So that decides, in most of the pattern, your personal interview round decides whether you're going ahead or not. So that is something which will be, they can take that experience forward ahead in life in all, whatever they do ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Miss Grand is about being yourself, is about enjoying in your own skin, having fun, showing the extraordinary side of yourself. As the name suggests, it is grand. So you need to be the grander version of yourself. You need to be grand in your walk, grand when you talk, grand how you dress. And that is the only thing, I think that's the only criteria you need to work upon. You need to be extremely confident in yourself, but not be overconfident. Just try to present the best version of yourself to the judges, to the people who are around, and I think you're good to go.
Thank you so much.
Criteria for Miss Grand India and Miss Grand International, which is the aspirant or the contestant should be 5'4" and above, height criteria 5'4" and above, and she should be not married, she should be single. The Miss title should be there because it is Miss Grand India, of course. So these are the official criteria which one need to get in mind before entering the pageant. Thank you. Yes, there is age limit to it, but it's around 30-31. So I think it's not a lot. I mean, it's fine.
There is a say there, I would like to say a line which Lara Dutta has said it once, that nobody is gonna remember what nail paint you're gonna wear, what hairstyle was, what dress you're gonna wear. It is gonna be remember how you have performed yourself on stage, how you have been with others, how you have ability to yourself with others, how you have gesturized with others. Always be with the gratitude. It doesn't matter that if who's gonna win the show, who's not gonna win the show. People obviously recognize the winner, but sometimes the women or a man with gratitude, people gonna remember you all of your life. That is the best message I can give to all of the girls over here, or who's gonna come in future. Because nothing is impossible in this world. If something is written in your destiny, no one can snatch it for you. That is the biggest thing. Thank you so much.
Firstly, I'd like to wish a good evening. I have everyone is having a pleasant evening over here. Sponsors play a very vital role, I guess. As you can say that Meghalaya is not such a big state. So, firstly, we would like to promote tourism in Meghalaya, which is we would like to make the main hub in the country. So, looking forward for sponsorship, so that they can invest not just in monetary or like hospitality, but as well working in collaboration with the locals, so we can improve on that. That's it. Thank you.
I have not yet to think about that, but we will see according to what we are doing right now. We will collect it with our state directors, with our teams together. Then we will think about that in future. Thank you.